To start, let's look at the structure panel that's open on the right side. Here you can look at the structure of the page. If I click on this container item at the very top, you can see that this first big section of the page highlights with pink. This is the container. It contains all of the elements that are inside it, which you'll see turn pink as I hover over them. Or if I click the drop-down arrow at the right in the structure panel, we can see that there's another container inside there, and you can see that gets highlighted with gray this time. And if I click the arrow to open that, here we can see the individual elements and we can click on them. If you want to rearrange things, you can do that from the structure panel. You can simply click and drag them to other positions, and then they'll update in the live page. There's also an eye icon on the right side of each element and container in the structure panel. You can click the eye icon to hide an element without deleting it, and click the eye icon again to bring it back. This is a great way to see what it would look like to remove certain elements from the page without deleting it. In the same way that you can rearrange elements on the page using the structure panel, you can also rearrange containers on the page. Just simply click and drag them to a new location. I'll go ahead and put this one back. You can close the structure panel with the X in the top right. If at any point you want to see the structure panel again, you can click Command-I on Mac or Control-I on Windows.